So what up, guys? Danny and Cody here. Part 2 of the Scrambler, man.
We're gonna strip her down.
Teardown day. So we're back in the cat house. And yeah, Cody, why don't you just push that thing forward and we'll talk about it a second. Okay. So if you guys missed part 1, I'll link it down below. But this is mine, Danny's 1997 Scrambler 400 4x4 edition, oil injected. And Code, this was my father-in-law's, Cody's uncle's, and she's been put through the ringer, boys, hasn't she?
Is this the one that he bought brand new when he took it mudded that day
and swamped it? Yep. Okay. But it had a good run. It was being used for around 15 years until he parked it, and it's kind of been sitting ever since. And obviously we got our work cut out for us. When it did run in its later years, it didn't run that good. So the whole thing is here, we want to fully restore this thing and have it looking sharp again, man.
Yeah.
So should we set it up and see what we can do? First matter of business is probably taking off the plastics. So here's how we got so far, guys. We got half the plastic off, working on the other half. We picked up bombs. How's it going, buddy?
Hey.
We're just kind of fumbling with all the wiring and stuff right here because can't get the front plastics off without kind of addressing that first. So we got Code over there looking for some tools. But yeah, guys, we're coming along. Hasn't been too much of a pain yet, has it, Code?
You got extra front than I thought you'd be, huh?
Yeah, without our mechanic, the old man.
Where's the old man at?
He's war plus today.
The cavalry has arrived. I like it.
How you going? How you going?
Messing with the front so we can get the front plastics off. There's a lot of water.
Looks like you guys have done a little bit.
Yeah, just kind of fighting with the front right now, buddy. Through. Well, that was a pain, Code. Take a look at how corroded this thing is.
She could use a little TLC.
I don't think it actually looks too bad though, you know?
No.
For sitting outside, I suppose.
Now if we can just kind of mess with the intake and get the gas tank off. It's been pretty good, old man. Goal is to get a new clutch cover too, guys.
I really don't think you need it.
Goal.
It's up to you.
How's that belt looking there? I don't look too bad. She looks worn, but
Don't look too bad, but there's like no freaking gasket in here at all.
so it's easy for water to get in. Had to change that because father-in-law likes going in the water.
Danny, you'll never put her in the water again now after this. Well, it's in there. The gasket's in there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You shine your light. It's in there.
Right there, okay.
See, she's bad right here, though.
Yeah, she could use a new one for sure. You guys didn't see old man got the pipe off. It actually looks in pretty nice shape if we clean it up, huh, Code?
Paint it black.
Flat black, look nice.
Damn nice.
Cool. That's a cool setup. Come on, baby. Fucking hurts. Fucking hurts. Where's the... Come on, you motherfucker. Come on. Fucking kidding me, you piece of shit.
It's going a lot more smoother than the Cowie.
Yeah, I think it is, but... Cowie had a little bit more... I don't know, seems like it was put together a little bit better.
Well, it was more modern, probably. A couple years older. I mean, newer. There's our car, boys. That thing is 100% gummed up. We got access to our head now. Got the gas tank off. Heck yeah, boys.
Soak her down.
She's pretty much to her shell, boys.
I don't know how much we have.
What?
Hit your head. Literally straight to your freaking ear. Goddamn.
Hopefully that closes.
Hey. Take that too. What do I do with the freaking donuts? You're taking plastic anyway?
Yep.
Here. You don't need this.
Boys, I think that's where we end it for second day of Project Scrambler. Right, Code?
Gotta wait for the parts now, don't we?
Yeah, we got her down the show. We need to clean it up this week when it gets a little bit nice out. But guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and Code.
See you guys in the next video.